If you're vibe coding apps with AI and shipping them fast, you're probably leaving your database wide open. Here's what most people miss. When you use something like Superbase, your API keys and database URL are often exposed directly into your front-end code. Anyone who opens DevTools on their browser can see them. And if row-level security, which is the RSL, is turned off, they can read, edit, or delete your entire database. But not to worry, here's how to fix it. Number 1, never put secret keys in the front-end code. Use environment variables, server-side code only. Number 2, always enable row-level security in Superbase. Every table, no exception. And number 3, write RSL policies that check auth UID so users can only touch their data. And number 4, audit your exposed endpoints. And if your AI wrote the backend, let's be fair, read it before you ship it. Vibe coding is fast, but one exposed database can end everything. Alright, that's it guys. I hope you learned something from this video. See you in the next one. Cheers.